So I've had the Indian Chieftain now for a little while. I decided to change the windshield to a Klock Werks windshield, slightly tinted and with a little lip on it to see if it helps with wind buffeting for me in slow cars. Come on. Well, and misjust. Still haven't got used to the how far these controls are up front. So when you go to change the windshield, you need to raise it all the way up to get to the 5 bolts. So there are the 5 bolts that you need to remove the windshield. They suggest that you tuck towels down in here so in case you drop one of the bolts, you can easily get them and they don't fall down in the fairing. Then the other thing they suggest is there's little backing nuts right there, and putting a little masking tape or something on them to keep them up there while you bolt in the new windshield. So it's been a few weeks since I installed the Klock Works windshield. This one is the tinted one. It's not the darkest one, not the lightest one. I'm not sure how it looks on the video yet. That guy's slow. I don't know why they're so slow sometimes. So I've taken a couple trips on the bike since I installed the windshield, and I'd have to say it works pretty good. I usually have it down for the city and up about an inch and a half when I'm on the highway. That allows it to block wind on the highway without getting up in my view too much. So I just keep it just below my view so I don't have to actually look through the curved part, and I don't feel like I'm looking over the windscreen. And on the trips it actually helped keep a little wind off me, because it was down in the low 40s for a while. So it does help with that. I do get a little bit of flutter on the top of my helmet, I noticed, which would go away if I decided to raise it up all the way. I guess you guys know where I was driving by, huh? So overall, I would say I'm quite happy with the Klock Works windscreen. It's the 10-inch tall one, just in case you were asking. Well, sometimes I get out of order and stuff, and I forgot to take the video of the bike with the new windscreen on it to show you guys. So I'm here in the shop starting the next project, and I figure I better just give you a quick little view of the bike with the windscreen, which is all the way down right now. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe. Later.